welcome back. What is going on? I am gonna do my last Halloween inspired tutorials. Like, my tutorials are not super crazy like a lot of these amazing artists out there. Like, my Halloween tutorials are like Halloween colors, smoky, grungy, the things that I love in life, and I hope you're enjoying them. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me. I'm Liza, and I would love if you would subscribe and join my family here. Long story short, you guys know, if you've been with me for a while, you guys know that I'm a really big fan of H.I.M, the rock band. That one of their videos just gave me inspiration, and there's this look. Now it's super like vampy, grungy type of smoky look. This is the look that we're going for today. They made him look super vampy and dead, obviously, because of the whole thing, like the whole story background of the video and the song. But this is what we are gonna try to go for today. Obviously, I'm not gonna do my face pale white, and we're just going for like the vampy, smoky, reddish look. His lips look like they either used a lip plumper on it or he got lip injections. This is a picture of him like years ago, maybe more than 20 years ago, and I was just like, oh my gosh, I'm loving that smoky, vampy look. I will post photos of the look on the side here so you guys can see it more clear. I know you can't see it much on my phone, but this is also what his lips look like. See, they look super plumped. I'm still using the stuff in my box that I chose for this month and next month, but I kind of had to shop my stash a little bit for certain items that can achieve this look for me. So I'm actually gonna leave my brows the way they are. They look like they left his brows untouched in this video. So I was like, you know what? We're just gonna keep it natural today. So that's what we're gonna do. So I am going to play with the So Jaded palette. This is actually gonna be the first time that I'm gonna dip into this palette, and I'm gonna use Garnet, which is this really dark burgundy right here. This video might be a little longer than the other ones, you guys. Oh, also happy Halloween, because I'm uploading this video on Halloween for you guys. I shopped out of my stash. This is like my blingiest highlighter by Juvia's Place. This is the Tribe Highlighter Volume 3. You guys, this thing is so reflective. This is probably my most reflective highlighter that I have in my collection. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh. This is what we're going to be doing in the inner corner and dragging it down, because that's how he has it. Please be patient with me. I've never followed something like this before, so we're gonna see if we can achieve this look. There's a lot of blending, a lot of smoking and smudging going on. So I've got like extra brushes here. This is like one of my favorite brush sets from Royal and Langnickel. Like, I do not leave my house when I travel. I take their smudger brush with me. It's the best smudger brush ever. I've got this set by Lavish. I have a bunch of brand new brushes in my makeup, like a bunch of brushes, brand new, that I can just dip into, and we're gonna use it. And I'm also gonna be using some stuff by Morphe. And I completely forgot that I got lip glosses by ColourPop. I just found these. Of course, I'm going to start with my trusty primer by Smashbox. I cannot, like, you can't go wrong with this primer. I'm going to just go in and set my eye with Royal Jewels, which is this one right here. I'm going to use this Royal Langnickel BMX 465 Precision Angle. And again, this is my first time like really doing a tutorial off of a picture or being inspired by someone or a rock band. I'm gonna see how I can achieve this look. I also found this like Metal Chrome Eye Mousse by JCat. You guys, I've had this for so long and it's still super creamy. I don't know how like it stood so creamy. Like, these are amazing and I don't use them enough. But that color is gorgeous, and I think it's gonna be great to like pop on top just a little bit and smudge it out. This look is not gonna be perfect. I'm gonna try to perfect the bottom lash line, but the top is gonna be like super smudgy and smoky looking. So I'm gonna go into that Garnet, and I'm just gonna tap it over the eye very little. I'm gonna try not to put it so much on my actual lash line on the top, because I'm gonna put liner there and smudge it and smoke it out. And for me to try not to put so much product on the actual upper lash line. Let's see how this goes. I'm excited to see if I can achieve this look. I changed to the BMX 430 crease brush. I'll post different ones throughout the look so you can see what I'm trying to achieve here. but in the picture they have the color on his eye pretty pigmented. That pigment, I'm sure it's gonna come from that mousse that I'm gonna use. That, and it's got some glitter in it. All right, I'm gonna go in with the mousse. It's called Fiery Bolt. This color, you guys, is just insane. This color, you guys, is just insane. I'm gonna go back in with the Precise Angle, the BMX 465. I don't know why they make like such long names on brushes, but I really do love this set. It's so pretty. I love the handles, the way that they're made. Okay, I guess there's just too much glitter in this one, but I just couldn't help myself with this, with the mousse. But I'm gonna go back into the garnet color and kind of tone it down a little bit. On his eye, it just looks so saturated. I'm just gonna take a BMX 466, which is a shade brush. It looks like this. I'm just gonna kind of wing it out a little bit. I'm not trying to perfect this, but I don't want it not to be blended out either. So I'm just going in with the clean brush. I cannot wait to do my lower lash line. It just looks so good on him. Like, whoever did his makeup for this video, oh my gosh, I love it. Yeah, so mine is coming out glittery. I'm trying to see if I could tone it down a little bit with the garnet color, but it is not working. And it's okay. This is how we learn. Trial and tribulation. I really do like how the color is, though. The color is super pretty. I love the colors. Can't go wrong with a cranberry burgundy look. So that's how I'm gonna leave it. Then I'm gonna take my KKW black liner. You guys, I'm a little with this liner, I'm just you know me, I love KKW, but this liner is not, I don't know what's going on there. When you sharpen it, it's let's hold that for another video. All right, I'm just gonna crazy line, meaning not perfect. I just need some black pigment on there. So my smudger brush, BMX 402 from that same collection. Let's go back in, make sure I got enough liner here. Kind of make it look a little messy. Been having this issue with my hand falling asleep on me and I can't stand it. I think I have carpal tunnel from what everyone is telling me. I'm just gonna be going back and forth between the shadow because my eye already wants to water. You're seeing it live here. My eyes always giving me, like, lately it's just been too much. Let's take a peek at the picture again. All right, you guys, I'm gonna do my face and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do the lower lash line together, and then my favorite part, inner corner. All right, you guys, so I've got both eyes going on. I have to say already, we're definitely going for the glittery version of this. So hey, listen, this is how it goes with trying to follow professional makeup artists on a set of a video, and I've never done this before, so just give me props for trying. I will tell you that I went in with the Morphe lip crayon. I love these by Morphe, you guys. Oh my gosh, they're so good and so affordable. I went in with the color, it's called Lilas. I just put this very lightly on my lips, and then I went in with a crap load of Puppies by ColourPop. It's the ultra glossy lip, and it was from the Villains collection. So that's what I did on the lips. I'm not used to having this much gloss on me, but we're gonna keep going. And I also used the color Seclusion in my blush palette just to give me a little bit, just a little bit of hints of color on my cheeks. So we are going to continue to do the lower lash line. I think I'm just gonna take what I have left on this brush and just smoke the bottom of my lower lash line, and then go in with the liner and smudge it out and smoke it out as much as I can. So let's see how this is gonna go. I'm having fun trying to create something that I'm not used to creating. In my opinion, it's not coming out that bad. I do like the smudginess and the smokiness of the black liner. I'm definitely gonna have to go in with more product. I want to lay this color down and just completely smoke it out. I'm already having like incidents in this Like, you're gonna see it live today, and this upsets me and pisses me off so much, you guys. I love playing with makeup. You know this is why I have a channel. And already this corner eye is watering, and you can already see that it's taking off my makeup. Like, why can't it just love me a little bit and let me finish doing what I'm doing for it to jack up on its own? Like, I don't understand. And the inner corner on this one is already like, my tear ducts and how sensitive my eyes are really just, it upsets me just a tad bit. Trying to get it as smoky as possible. Okay, well, moment of truth, we're gonna go back in with the liner. I'm not gonna take it all the way in since I always have trouble with my eyes bugging out on me. Okay, you guys, done with the eyes. So I really like how the bottom came out. Obviously in the picture it's a lot tighter on him, how they did it, but I really like smoking out my lower lash line, so I did it a bit more dramatic. This look is way more dramatic than what they did on him in the video, let's be real, but it's fun and I still like it. So I'm gonna finish the highlighter with you guys, and that's it. I didn't do mascara because I don't want to take away from the smokiness, even though mascara is black and it'll enhance it more, but it's entirely up to you because I don't think they did mascara on him. It doesn't look like they did, just because the smokiness of the black is making his eyelashes look darker. So I don't think so, but it's entirely up to you if you want to recreate this look. And you can do mascara, you can do even a more dramatic look with, you know, falsies, whatever you want, you guys. It's here to have fun. We're gonna do this inner corner highlight, and it is gonna be dramatic and insane because that's how we roll here. Legit, like, watering again, and it's taking off my makeup. You see what I go through? Like, I can't, you guys, I can't. Already, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I don't use this highlighter. You know what? I don't use this highlighter much because it is just so intense. It is legit intense. But we're gonna take this a bit farther. It's more like on the chrome silver side, this highlighter. It took it down pretty far on him, so I'm gonna bring it down a little bit more here. It is like super reflective and I freaking love it. That is it. This is the final look. Like I said, a lot more dramatic than what they did on him on the video for the video, but I like it. And it may look like one eye has more eyeshadow than the other, but if you're new here, this eye is more hooded than this eye. So I always try to match them up as much as I can, but yeah. So this is the finished final look, you guys, inspired by him, the rock band, Vilvallo, and I like it. I'm living for it. So I hope you guys had fun with me today doing this tutorial. Again, happy Halloween. You guys, if you're going out, please be safe and be kind to others. We're still going through a pandemic, and there's a lot of people out there that are just, we're not having fun. And this is not fun time, so we're trying to make it good for the kids. So just be safe, have fun, create something exciting, and I will see you in a couple of days. Be safe, be kind, love you. Bye.